There is a very high chance that affirmations are not working for you because you're not making your statements correctly. I'm going to teach you exactly how to make your own affirmations and to affirm them robotically. Let's get started. Hi you guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Jyotsna, and in today's video I'm going to tell you exactly how you can affirm robotically and also help you create your own affirmation statements so you don't have to rely on anything and actually affirm in your mind robotically whenever you want to. So you guys already know the concept of robotic affirming. If you're new to my channel, then I've talked about it in multiple previous videos of mine, so I will link down some of the robotic affirmation videos that I have made. My mantra when it comes to robotic affirming is I believe in the concept of discipline and repetition over your feelings and emotions. I know that a lot of the laws of universe, especially the law of attraction, is deeply on feeling good emotionally or feeling positive or feeling good energetically all the time or relying a lot on your mood specifically. But I believe that discipline beats every single thing in life. There are times when I don't emotionally feel good about something, but I still get it just because I've repeated so many times in my mind continuously. The more I persist, the more I'm consistent. Even when I'm not feeling good, I have seen the results come into my life. For example, even today, I did not have the mood to film at all. I have a cough, so I didn't feel like speaking in front of the camera. But I always rely on discipline and consistency because I know that that is what is going to quantum leap me to my dream reality. So that's why robotic affirming works so well for me, because I know that with consistency and with discipline, I can develop that strict mental diet and get whatever I want in my reality. I'm going to tell you the easiest way that you can create your own affirmations and affirm about them robotically, and use this technique because it's absolutely free. You can do it whenever you want to, and it is so easy, so simple. All you need is just 10 minutes or maybe 15 minutes in your entire day, and that's about it. So yes, I'm going to tell you step by step how you can create your own affirmations. So let's get started. So first and foremost, do not create any statements that are hopeful or in the future tense. You want your statements or your sentences to be either in the past tense or in the present tense, because you're making the affirmation based on your identity, based on your assumptions. So you guys know I'm a law of assumption girly. I believe that your assumptions create your reality. So whatever your statement is, it has to be something like it's already your current reality or something that has already happened for you. So just to give you a simple example, instead of saying that my life is improving, form something instead of that, like my life is always working out in my favor or everything comes to me so easily. So instead of any hopeful statements like I hope I get my dream job or I hope I have my dream career, you can actually affirm something like I have multiple job offers, I have multiple offer letters already, or anything like I'm already hired. Any statement like that which is short, simple and easy to affirm, something that's in the present or past tense, is definitely more powerful than something that is hopeful or something in the future tense, for sure. Even if it's not true about your current reality, even if it's not something that you can believe right now, the more you repeat it in your mind non-stop, the more you suddenly get that kind of belief. I don't know, maybe there's like an internal energetic shift that you feel, but somehow the more I repeat a statement, even if it's not true in my reality right now, I automatically develop that hope and that inner belief that it is possible for me, and I start seeing a little evidence of it in my reality as well. So eventually I do see like a little bit of evidence in my 3D, and that just makes me more hopeful, and I just repeat that statement and just stay persistent with it, and it automatically works. The next step is you want to use powerful words like already or always or naturally or easily. Like these are some of the keywords that I use whenever I make my own affirmation statements as well. If you do want to get my affirmations, then definitely check out my ebook Just Affirm Bestie. I have all my affirmations there, and it'll be so helpful, so useful for you to make your own affirmations based on that. I will put a link of my ebook in the description box below so you can check it out. So just to give you a simple example of how you can use the word always, you can say something like my life is always so good, or I am always a powerful manifester, or anything like everything always works out in my favor. Like this is a simple example of how you can use the word always. Something else that I also love using in my affirmations are the words naturally and easily, just because I want to normalize the fact that my desires are easy and normal for me to get. So I will maybe make an affirmation statement, something like it is so easy for me to get my desires. I naturally attract good opportunities. I naturally attract the best opportunities. I naturally attract money everywhere I go. So yeah, I'm randomly making affirmations right now, but that's exactly how it works. You just add the word easily or naturally for any of your desires, just to normalize that. And the more you keep repeating in your mind, the more it becomes normal for you, easy for you to understand that, oh yeah, it's very easy for me to get that desire, or it's very natural for me to get it, because in a way you are shifting into the identity of someone who naturally gets those opportunities or naturally attracts those desires. So the next step when it comes to creating your affirmations is making your statements identity based. So just to explain it in simple terms, instead of looking at your desires separate from you, start assuming that your desires are part of your identity. So instead of considering, oh, I need to attract success or I need to attract money, start looking at yourself from that identity, that I am a successful person, I am a wealthy person, I identify myself as the most successful person. Even any self-concept affirmations for that matter work amazing when it comes to identity-based assumptions that you're creating with your affirmations. So I had a client who was having issues with her confidence skills. So an affirmation that I suggested her to practice and repeat in her mind mindlessly is, I am the most confident version of myself right now. It's as simple as that. It can be something related to your confidence, it can be something related to self-concept, anything like I'm a powerful manifester, or I am successful and rich in every area of my life. That's one of my favorite statements. So you can make up any affirmation statement like that based on your identity. Instead of affirming that my SP checked me out or my SP is always noticing me, you can actually affirm something based on your identity, like I am the most magnetic version of myself when I enter a room, or I am the most magnetic in every room I walk into. In a way, you're making a statement about yourself, like you are the most magnetic version of yourself, but at the same time, it kind of works even in cases of SP, because you are saying that you're magnetic, so your SP will obviously notice you. So that's just a simple example. I try to give all my clients, no matter what their desires are, whether it's related to SP, whether it's related to their dream job, whether it's related to money, I always give them some basic self-concept affirmations. And I personally also practice self-concept affirmations every day. Yes, there are times when I do focus on a specific desire, but whenever I practice self-concept affirmations on a daily basis, I feel like I have quantum leaped or quantum shifted to that particular identity, and I know that reality is just going to catch up. So that is how powerful and that is how confident I feel when I practice self-concept affirmations. If you want your own self-concept affirmations, you can absolutely create them from my book and from my affirmation tapes as well. That will be very, very helpful. The next step is you want to keep your affirmations simple, short, and repeatable. Yes, I know a lot of us want to put in all the specific details in our statements. We want to mention all the desires we have, and some of us have multiple desires, and it is totally natural and normal for you to have multiple desires. But the more shorter, easier, and repeatable your statements are, the better it is for you to practice the robotic affirming technique, because with this technique you're repeating the same statement or 2 or 3 statements multiple number of times in your mind. So if you complicate the statement, make it too long, make it too specific about a company, about the package, about every single tiny detail, then it becomes very difficult for you to repeat it on a daily basis. So what I personally recommend to my clients as well and tell them to do is take any one focus area of their choice, whether it's related to job or related to money, and just make a simple short statement out of it. Something like, I manifest money out of thin air, or it is very easy and natural for me to receive money, or money comes to me easily and quickly. Any simple statement like that, it is again related to your main focus area, which is money. It's not getting too much into the specific details like $10,000 or $20,000. It's just saying that you just make money easily and quickly. If you do want to be specific about something, like let's say you want to make $10,000 this month, then even a short statement like, I earn $10,000 this month, something like that. Something that's very short, simple, and repeatable. And you can also follow affirmations for that matter, like something like, why is it so easy for me to make money? Why is it so easy for me to make money out of thin air? Just to give you a simple example. Affirmations are really nice because in a way, when you question yourself with an affirmation, it's like you're trying to find the logic and the answer for it. So automatically it makes, whatever desire you have as normal for you. So why is it so easy for me to make money? Whenever you keep repeating this in your mind, you already justify yourself by affirming something like, because I'm a natural manifester, I naturally attract money into my life. That's how you justify it in your mind. So in a way that works as well. One affirmation that I have recently been affirming a lot is, I always get everything I want. It is so simple and it is so easy to repeat in my mind multiple number of times. Like even for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, I can continuously repeat, I always get everything I want. I always get everything I want. It's so easy. So I have been doing that, and even the small wins that I see in my life, I confirm, my affirmation, thinking that, yeah, my affirmation worked in my favor. I always get everything I want. Even if I see simple, small wins in my 3D, something like, getting offered a free coffee or getting offered a free ride to a specific place I wanted to go to, or getting free books, or anything like going on a Pilates class with a friend. Any specific experience, even in my day-to-day routine that I see, I always tell myself and confirm that, oh yeah, this affirmation worked in my favor. I always get everything I want. So that is a nice, mental check that you can have on your day-to-day basis as well for any affirmation that you are looping and repeating non-stop. Even if you see simple movement in your life, you can actually, repeat that affirmation again in your mind and think to yourself, yes, that affirmation is working in my favor because I always get everything I want. And our brain loves evidence. Our brain loves thinking that something is working in your favor means that's something positive, and the more you focus on positive, that's what expands in your life. So this is a nice technique, especially when you're doing the robotic affirmations, to have like a confirmation in your reality that of course things are working out in your favor. And yes, sometimes it might take a little bit more time. You might have to be more patient than others. There's nothing wrong in that. Just have that discipline, just persist no matter what. And whenever you see like little signs or any movement in your 3D, take that as a sign that things are working out for you, and do whatever you can in order to make it your reality. And by that I mean aligned action. I believe in the concept of discipline, like I told you guys. So everything comes with consistency, but at the same time, when you do see signs, when you do see movement, it is very important for you to take that aligned action and make it happen in your reality. So yeah, that was it for today's video, you guys. These are all the tips I have, especially if you want to create your own affirmations. It is very easy to create your own affirmations. I also have a lot of affirmations in my ebook, like I told you guys, so you can definitely purchase it, get a little bit of inspiration from it, create your own affirmations from the statements that you have seen in my ebook, and that will work really, really well as well. If you want affirmations to work for you and also quantum leap to your dream reality in less than 14 days, then definitely check out my course Manifest Instantly. So many people who have also signed up for my 1:1 coaching have taken Manifest Instantly just because there are so many affirmation tapes, so many quantum jumping meditations, as well as my videos that they can watch whenever they want to, wherever they want to, and that has helped them quantum leap to their dream reality. I have multiple success stories from my course. You can check it on my TopMate or my Stan store. I will put both Stan store as well as TopMate link in my description box for Manifest Instantly. Definitely check it out. It is a life-changing course, trust me. So yeah, that was it for today's video, you guys. I hope you liked it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Lots of love. Bye.